Alright, y'all. So first thing we need to do is get our clip. We're gonna go ahead and crop it and like split where you want to start it at, and then crop it however you want. I'm using 1x1, but you could use whatever one that you want. Then I'm gonna go ahead and get our audio. We're gonna be using this one, and we're gonna go ahead and crop the audio where the music starts. Then move to starting point. So we're gonna split the clip where the beat drops or wherever we want to start the velocity. But we're gonna need to get both of our dancing clips. Then, boom. I think I'm gonna cut the audio short and just keep it like that. Yeah, I'm gonna cut the audio short. Then, if you want, you don't have to do this, but I'm doing this because I don't feel like editing. There we go. That's what you can do for the audio if you want to, but that's what you gotta do. Now for the velocity, you see these numbers like at the bottom where it says 1.8. You gotta remember those numbers. Then go to custom. Then we're gonna put a dot between each of these 4 dots and then put it down. Just put those dots down, leave the other ones alone. Then you gotta make sure the number says the number we had earlier, which was 1.8, and look what we have here. And it's now on beat, so all you gotta do is to do the same thing for the other one. I don't really know how to explain this, but just follow my steps. First, we gotta click on the clip, click animations, and for the one that I use now, I use the jelly animation, so it will be like a shaking like this. I use this, but the other one I used was rock horizontally. You could use that one too, I don't care, but yeah. And we're not gonna put another shake for the other clip. We're gonna put, if you want to, you could put spin counterclockwise or spin clockwise for that. And this is our result. It's a little bit complex, but it's not that complex. So first we're gonna click on the first clip. You see this little button up here called the keyframe. We're gonna put the keyframe, zoom in, and zoom back out. It's gonna automatically add another keyframe. Then we're gonna zoom in again, and then zoom out. Wait, I think we're gonna leave it like that. So now the keyframes that I've used the most is quad ease, and wait, no, it's quad out and cubic out. Wait, let me see how this looks. What the heck? And I got the zooms. Now all you gotta do is do it for the next clip too. Result. Now that we have the zooms, I'm gonna show you a tutorial for like the in out thing. So we're gonna go to mask at the end, click mask, click mirror. We're gonna have this. Make sure there's no keyframe, because if it's a keyframe and you click like and you delete it, it's gonna be black, so you gotta click no and go back. So we're gonna have to make it zoomed out so you don't see it at first. Put a keyframe. Then when you time it, right here, we're gonna squeeze it in, like squinching in. Then for the end, we're gonna go back out. Now, what really matters is the graphs. So I will recommend quad out and cubic out. Now, if you want to be a little bit extra, if you want, you could add this overlay, which is on the screen right now. You can screen record it and crop it. You can. I would recommend you clicking. You have to click splice, and I will recommend overlay because it looks the best. To me, then you're gonna have to speed it up, so it will be kind of like a flashing type. Then, like you see this, like that. We're gonna want to click animations, and then we're gonna do fade in and fade out. When you click fade in, you click cancel so it can be on the line, and then do fade out and do the same thing. Now that's what you can do for that. And I would really recommend you getting a watermark so nobody will steal your stuff, steal your edits and stuff. And okay, I'm gonna put in the watermark. Gotta add our watermark right here. And lastly, all you gotta do to make it into a short, we're gonna click aspect ratio, then click the TikTok one, and make sure your watermark is inside of the video. There you go. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Bye bye.